What happens if Earth falls into a black hole, and did the universe begin inside one? If Earth were to fall into a black hole, imagining what happens is almost impossible. But the real question goes even deeper. What would happen if we fell into a black hole? No, go deeper than that. What if the entire universe itself was born from a black hole? What existed before the Big Bang? Today, that is the mystery we are exploring. Scientific facts, theories proposed by top physicists, and possibilities so unsettling they challenge everything we think we know. Ready? Let's begin. When Earth falls into a black hole, the laws of physics tell us that space-time itself twists and collapses. Gravity becomes unimaginably strong. But here's the real shock. Falling into a black hole may not mean traveling into time. It might mean leaving time altogether. This leads to the central question. Did time exist before the Big Bang? Or did time itself begin with the Big Bang? This is the first mystery, and this is only the beginning. Fact 1. Time before the Big Bang. Time is a human perception. We measure it in seconds, minutes, and hours. But Stephen Hawking revealed a brutal truth. Time itself began at the Big Bang. According to this idea, asking what happened before the Big Bang is like asking what is north of the North Pole. The question itself becomes meaningless. But is that truly the end of the story? Or is there a deeper layer hiding beneath this explanation? Fact 2. The quantum vacuum mystery. Alan Guth, the creator of inflation theory, proposed something shocking. The universe may not have come from nothing. It may have emerged from a quantum vacuum fluctuation. A quantum vacuum is not empty. It is filled with zero-point energy, constantly bubbling with microscopic fluctuations. In simple terms, energy bubbles randomly appear and disappear in empty space. If one of those bubbles grows large enough, it becomes an entire universe. Our universe could be one such bubble. But that raises a terrifying question. How many universes have formed this way? Fact 3. The multiverse possibility. The multiverse concept suggests that our universe is not unique. There may be infinitely many universes, each with different physical laws. Physicist Michio Kaku suggests, every quantum event may generate a parallel universe. That means every decision, every possibility may split reality into alternate timelines. So what if before our Big Bang, another universe experienced a massive event, and its shockwave triggered our universe's birth? Is this science or speculation? Or is there an even stranger explanation? Fact 4. The cyclic universe idea. Scientists like Roger Penrose propose that the universe follows a cycle. The universe expands. Energy spreads thinner. Stars die. Matter dissolves. Eventually, everything reaches a state of complete uniformity. No structure, no particles, no time. Then, reset. Another Big Bang. In simple terms, the universe is born, dies, and is reborn endlessly. Could our Big Bang be the death of a previous universe? We don't know.
Fact 5. The ekpyrotic model. Brain collision. String theory introduces a radical idea. Our universe may exist on a three-dimensional membrane, called a brain, floating in higher dimensions. If two massive brains collide, the energy released would be catastrophic. That collision could appear as a Big Bang. So our universe may have been born from a cosmic collision between higher dimensional structures. But then comes the obvious question. Where did those brains come from?
Fact 6. Zero-point energy and hidden reality. Zero-point energy is the energy that remains even in absolute vacuum. In quantum physics, empty space is never truly empty. This energy may be infinite. Our entire universe could be a tiny fluctuation, a bubble floating in an endless ocean of energy. So, are we living inside a temporary energy bubble, or is there a deeper reality beyond our universe? Fact 7. Conformal cyclic cosmology, Penrose theory. Roger Penrose proposed one of the most mind-breaking theories in modern physics. According to him, universes exist in an endless sequence. Each universe is born from the stretched-out remains of the previous one. Penrose even claims to have detected circular patterns in the cosmic microwave background, possible remnants of gravitational waves from a previous universe. If this is true, then time has no beginning and no end. But can this theory ever be proven? That remains unknown. Fact 8. Why physics breaks at time equals zero. When physicists run the equations of the universe backward, everything collapses at t equals zero. Temperature becomes infinite, density becomes infinite. The laws of physics stop working. This is where science hits a wall. Some mathematicians argue that time may not have started at the Big Bang at all. The Big Bang could have been a transition, not a beginning. So what existed before the transition? We don't yet have the tools to know. Fact 9. Time symmetry and reverse time. Some theories propose that at the moment of the Big Bang, two universes were created. One moves forward in time, ours. The other moves backward in time. In that universe, our past is their future. If true, the Big Bang may be a bridge between two time-opposite realities. Meaning, nature doesn't care about beginnings or endings, only patterns. Fact 10. The simulation hypothesis. This idea is bold and unsettling. The universe appears mathematically perfect. The laws of physics are finely tuned. Elon Musk and many physicists argue we may be living inside a simulation. The Big Bang could have been the moment the system was turned on. Time, matter, energy, just lines of cosmic code. In simple terms, are we characters inside a universal computer? It sounds insane, but rejecting it mathematically is surprisingly difficult. So, what really happened before the Big Bang? Science doesn't yet have a final answer, but one thing is clear. What we see is not the whole truth. There are deeper layers, hidden structures, unanswered questions. Will humanity one day decode them all? Or are there forces beyond our comprehension? I'll leave you with one final question. Did the Big Bang create our universe? Or did something else design it?